Hello, welcome back to my page. I'm always confused when I want to replace my ink cartridge. I never remember how to do it, so I decided to film it today to remind myself and to also help anyone who is in the same situation as I'm in. So you open that spot and you have to wait. You wait for it to come back and then you will press it down and pull. I can never remember the ink colors, so it's 244 for the color and 243 for the black. Yes, and you need both hands to open that little container. Just a little reminder, everyone might know this, but your printer needs to be plugged in and turned on for it to work. And you'll place it down like that. As you can see, they are not aligned. You will have to put it up. And voila, it's that simple. Thank you for watching. Please share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.